Okay, so you want to remove the effects of price change. And how do you remove the effects of price change? Okay, first, you see, the version 1, you just take nominal GDP divided by price level. Nominal over price level gives you real GDP, but I can tell you this is hardly used. We hardly ever use it. In the real world, you can use this. It can be proxied by. Proxy means approximated. Okay, so you can approximate this using your GDP deflator. It's a technical thing. We don't really need to know it in detail. What is your GDP deflator? A deflator is something that removes the effects of inflation. Okay, it's like deflating a balloon. Okay, so this is the first one, but I'll just say we seldom use it. You can ignore it. Really, you can ignore this. Version 2 is very common. So version 2 uses a mathematical principle. It's actually an approximation. Do you know in math, I don't know if you all have come across this. If A over B gives you C, percentage change in your numerator minus percentage change in the denominator gives you this. Do you know that? It's a bit like uncertainty, but it's not exactly the same. This is something you do in math. Or you probably have not seen it yet. See before? Or maybe I came up with this myself. Huh? No, we've used it in econs for quite a while. Okay? That also means that A times B equals to say percentage change in A plus percentage change in B gives you percentage change in C. So that means this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. That means nominal GDP growth rate minus what is the percentage change in GPL, also known as percentage change in GPL is also known as your inflation rate, right? Because GPL, CPI, same, huh? So this minus inflation rate equals real GDP growth rate. This is a very common CSQ 2-mark trend question. They'll probably ask you for the trend in real GDP, then they give you inflation rate, they give you nominal GDP growth rate. Okay? Any questions here? This is version 2. The third one is the most common one, and that is to take this year's output based on a previous period's price. Remember, what we want to do is to remove the effects of price change. So let's say I take 2024 output using 2020 prices. And you wonder, why choose 2020? Why not 2019? Why not 2021? It probably means because in 2020, prices were quite stable. Not too high, not too low. The economy would know it. That year, prices are stable. All of us have a stable weight also. Sometimes it's high, sometimes it's low, but average weight is about there. Right? Maybe before exam, it will drop. After exam, it will pick up. Okay? Pick up more sometimes. Okay? Okay? So this is you use a previous period's price. What do you call that time period? It's called base year. Okay? Any questions? If there are no questions, I got something for you to